Hello students, and welcome to another statistics and probability lesson for senior high school grade 11. Today's lesson, we are going to continue with normal distribution. Here is the objective. You are expected to compute probabilities and percentiles using the standard normal table. But before we begin, let us first define percentile. It is a measure used in statistics indicating the value below which a given percentage of observations in a group of observations fall. Are you ready now? Let us have a short review on standard score. Did you know that given a normal random variable x with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, we can transform it into a z-score? Yes, you're right. We are going to use this formula following this theorem. We have z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. Let us now try example number 1. A random variable x has a mean of 10 and a standard deviation of 2.5. Find the corresponding z-score for x is equal to 7. Let us follow the steps to solve. Given x is equal to 17, mu is equal to 10, and sigma is equal to 2.5. First is to substitute the values in our formula. So we have z is equal to 17 minus 10 over 2.5. Then perform the indicated operations. Then simplify. So we have z is equal to 7 over 2.5 or 2.8. Yes, so did you get it right? Let's try and learn this. The grade 11 students of Camarines International High School took a national achievement test last 2018. Their average score in the mathematics test is 80 with a standard deviation of 5. How many students obtain a score of 90 in the test? You can use the formula to be your guide. Good luck! Did you get the standard score? Very good. Now let us have a percentile problem. Imagine that you have 1,000 examiners in the NOT and you scored 80 at 43rd percentile. How are you going to find the 43rd percentile in the normal curve? Let us follow these steps. Number 1, draw the indicated normal curve. Number 2, express the given percentage as probability. Number 3, using the z-table or the standard normal curve, locate the area of the given percentile. Number 4, locate the nearest values. Number 5, locate the z-value and do the interpolation if needed. And lastly, number 6, shade and describe the shaded region. Are you ready for example 1? Where do I belong? Let's try this one. So first, you're going to indicate the appropriate normal curve. Then next, you're going to express the percentage as probability. Remember that 43% is the same as 43 hundredths. Step 3, you're going to locate the area of 43 hundredths. You're going to use, of course, the standard normal table or the z-table. So since there is no area corresponding exactly to 4300, instead locate the nearest z-values, and it is between 0.4492 with the corresponding z-score of 1.48 and 0.4306 with the corresponding z-score of 1.47. The nearest value of 0.43 hundredths is 0.4306, which is corresponding to the z-score of 1.48. Step number 5. Locate the z-value or do the interpolation if needed. The z-score starts at 1.48 and 43% is located at the left side of the curve since the value does not reach 50% or half of the curve or above. Therefore, the z-value of 1.48 should be located at the left side of the curve. Step 6. Shade and describe the shaded region. Since 1.48 must be located at the left side of the curve, it must contain a negative sign, indicating to where it should be located. The shaded region is 43% percentile of the distribution. It means that 43% of the distribution lies below the z-value of 1.48. Meaning, if you scored 80 at the 43rd percentile, 43% of the examiners scored lower than 80 and 57% scored higher than 80. This explains that 43rd percentile is located where 43% of the total population lies below and 57% lies above that point. Now let us try and learn. Find the 88th percentile of the normal curve. You can do it. In this problem, you're going to do interpolation, or you're going to get the average of the corresponding two values. Since 88% is above half the curve, so you will have 0.5 and 0.38 hundredths to make it 0.88 hundredths. So if you get the z value of 1.175 in the interpolation of 1.17 and 1.18 as the nearest values to 0.38 hundredths, you are correct. I hope you learned something again today. Let us have the short summary. The percentile, the steps to compute the percentile and the probabilities, and to shade the area given the problems. See you again in our next lesson. If you have questions or clarification, don't hesitate to contact me, Ma'am Grace. Thank you for joining today's class. Stay safe and stay connected. See you again. Bye!